So, one of the things that every dealership ends up having to deal with is lots of meetings. And it can be a real pain having to summarize and create actionable next steps based on those meetings. So, I'm going to introduce you to our meeting summarizer, who is part of our operations bundle for Auto-Agentic. So, please meet Mira, who is an expert meeting summarizer. And in this instance, what I've done is I've taken our webinar where we were highlighting Auto-Agentic, and I've asked it to summarize the meeting. So right out of the gate and quite quickly, it's basically created the meeting report, the timing. It's created a basic summary, including top three takeaways being AI agents can significantly enhance dealership operations across multiple departments. The technology focuses on augmenting human capabilities rather than replacing them, and implementation can reduce costs while improving efficiency in areas like legal compliance, training, and customer relationship management. Indicates who the participants are, what the purpose of the meeting was, starts to break down all of the key discussion points. So, where we focused on AI evolution and foundation, we talked about our AI agent system, what our structure was, what's the technical depth, what's the integration capabilities. We went through a practical application showcase, went through dealership culture evolution. We entertained questions. There were certain key decisions that were made, as well as action items, broke all of these down. What I then asked it to do was, can you highlight the demo sections and indicate what was presented? So then it very quickly indicated, well, here was the legal assistant Jesse demo. Here's what our use case was. Here's the processes that we demonstrated. We also did a marketing specialist demo. We showed basically Bombnet Chevrolet and how that was working. Went through a sales training integration demo where we went through RAV4 product knowledge. We went through a sales team evaluation tools where we created aptitude tests. We went through budget and forecasting analyst, as well as a real-time system demo in reference to one of Alan Cooper's question. We were talking about creating a customer relationship management strategy. So it then also said, here's notable features across these demos where we focused on multi-agent collaboration, real-time processing, showed how we could customize to specific dealership needs, etc. So very simple, but something that can be very effective and save a lot of time and energy from a lot of dealerships.